Hello. So it's been a week, I think, that I haven't streamed. So I'll give you an update of what I'm working on. So I'm working on awesh. So let me show you what is awesh. So I have this AIOps concept, no? So I have a GitHub account. I'll put it in the description. So my awesh is AIOps is my interpretation of what's AIOps supposed to be, and awesh is one of my what I'm working right now as part of AIOps. So awesh is a O-inspired workspace environment shell. So AI by default, bash when I mean bash. So this is the flagship component of AIOps. So this is my vision of what's supposed to be a terminal looks like. So it works like a bash. Let's see. I'll go straight away to the demo, so you can see it. I changed my what you call this. I changed my board. Let me bring you to my screen so that you can show what I'm looking at. So my screen is here. Sorry, I hope you see my screen now, and I'm gonna show you my command line, and I'm working on the awesh terminal. So I hope it works. So we can use basic bash commands. So we can use ls, pwd, maybe psef. So it feels like a bash command, no? So it feels like a bash command, but it has as you can see, you can look here. There's an AI ready. So that AI ready is meaning that we can access now our commands are AI aware. So let's see. Let's write. What is my IP as seen from outside world? So don't worry, this is open source. So but I think open source don't like AI. That's why in my README file, as you can see, so it's thinking. You can see there's a dots there. I will just show you. So yeah, breaking the AI stigma. So that's my objective, to break the AI stigma in open source, because AI is just what does AI do for us is it sets for everyone to be at the top level. So it's like AI will push us everyone to be using whatever is the best that we know. And see, human creativity pushes further. So AI is baseline. I'm trying to explain it. It's here. AI is baseline. So AI provides the superior baseline capabilities we build upon. So we have a superior baseline. So now that we have the same AI baseline, we are now at the best now. So we need the human creativity. So we need to push it, because I watch a video like optimizing track in a speed track, A01 speed track. So I realized that yes, we will all be having the world record levels, but to break beyond the world record levels, then we need to have human creativity to push further, because AI is like a brute force. So AI is really a starting point. It's not the end. So AI will just push our baseline very much higher than what we have now. But to make that baseline more even higher, then we need the human creativity to push us further beyond what is the superior baseline that we already have, right? Because AI is there. It is superior in already in language of humans. So it can see, it has a lot of training data. So but we don't stop there. What the training data of AI is static. So human creativity, by displaying our human creativity, we can still create things that is past this superior AI baseline that's already established. So part of this is the terminal that I'm saying you. And as you can see, here it shows my IP address. I run the command. I think let me see what is my, I think I'm showing the verbosity. Let's see. Yes. So yeah, I need to fill this. So debug lang disabled. Okay. It double IP backend PID. Okay. That's good. That's our AWES command. And if you can do help, and you can see what commands are available for AWES SH. So for now, I show you that I run this command. Let me wait for a while. So let me see first. So this one is verbose right now. I need to fix this, but this is I think this is the same as when you run cursor, right? Or there's some talk about the AI and it's showing you what it is doing. So let's see. I will show you something nice right now. So the bash command still works, right? I'll show you how to access my Kubernetes. So I have Kubernetes here. So let's see. Show me my Kubernetes nodes. So it should be thinking now and should be able to access my kubectl. So I should, so see, it already see my Kubernetes node. So I don't need to remember the actual command. So this democratizes like entry level operators that they want to go to using the shell, right? So you don't need to memorize with the help of AI, you can actually run these commands. And if you forgot something, right? Like for example, let's see. I haven't tried it yet. I'm just starting to work on this project. So let's see. This is internal IP and show only the name. Show only the name. As you know, this kubectl gets complicated if you have lots of things you want to see. It's hard to memorize. Like for example, you want to open the job. You see, it only shows the name. Now it returns maximal. That's how advanced it is. You don't need to grep and memorize the complex grep. So that's why my vision of a terminal that's AI level. So I want to show you another. What are ports? What are the ports that are open on my machine? So I'm just showing you that this can be, if you can still use the bash commands as I've shown you, but then you can just right away issue a prompt. And since awesh with respect to bash is this bash plus AI aware. So it's really a O inspired environment shell workspace. O inspired workspace environment shell. So I'm amazed also that I can do this now. I've been heavy on Cursor for about a month now, I think, and that made me realize that I can do this as well, because I think Cursor and Claude Code is becoming expensive, and if we open source this, and as an operator, I don't use VS Code, I don't use IDE, I only want to use terminal. And I think my next project is to be able to use VI. I think this is not working yet. Oh, it's working. Actually, it's already working. So I already put it in the spec. So before this is the first time I tried that VI works, because the last time I tried this, it's not working. So I think we have properly implemented now the sudo terminal This is a proper terminal right now because the first iteration I did, it's not VI is not working here. So this is what I want to do. No, I want VI to be able to work. It's like really a terminal, but it has AI capabilities. No, so my objective here is I'll stop using cursor. And I'll stop use. Of course, I haven't tried the Cloud Code yet. It's a barrier of entry. Cursor was there was a trial for 7 days. That's why when I liked Cursor after a 7 days trial, I bought a pro account. But now I want to remove Cursor because I watched someone discussing about how does Cursor or Cloud Code does it in the back end. He put a proxy server and intercept the commands of Cloud Code, and he figured out what's the API calls that's being made and what's is being returned. And so I'm inspired and I want to implement it using this awesh, this AI aware terminal. So I think that this is open. This is I have a open. This is open source, so it is an open source license, so everyone can try it if you want to try it. I will package it. I will do maybe a homebrew and Ubuntu binaries already. But this has also, if you look at this, my AIOps repository, there is a deployment here, and you can use the deployment. This is a deployment is SCP, and yeah, I think. Oh, okay. He did not intercept this. The AI intercepted this, but it should not intercept this because this is a valid command. So I need to fix this. But as I said, that this is just I just created this about how many, like 5 hours ago. But still, it still work, right? You see, the command still returned, but I should be able to say this. Actually, I'm using cursor to build this. So I'm using a cursor to build this command. So I can tell here to cursor that, yeah, this should not reach AI. And as you know, I'll show you how I develop this. And after I fully develop this AWES, 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 if I fully develop this, I'll stop using cursor. But I'm surprised the code base is small, but it's still yeah, because I limited to the exit code. And let's see now. Let's restart it. So that's how. See, that's how fast, because I have a deployment MCP. He knows how to compile what I'm doing. It's now installed right away. So we can just, it kills also the awesh. So we can rerun the awesh and see ls deployment. It should handle the tab completion here. Maybe it was confused. Nah, it's not able to handle it. What's the return of an ls? Let's run this here. Let's try what's the return value of ls deployment. Echo, let's see, $return. So it's 0. I think it's 0. So I'll give it to a cursor. I'm still debugging it. And I'm giving him why it should not think. Anyway, it's still thinking. So I show him the difference and he should be able to figure it out. I mean AIOps, yeah. Because there's no deployment folder. It's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, I know that. I know the issue. I know the issue. there is no deployment folder in awesh, so it has stdr. Yeah, it's correct. The behavior is it's correct. So our logic is correct. Our logic is correct. We should stick to the original logic. So it was a failure, that's why it runs to AI, okay? So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, this is good. This is good. So it will fail because there's no deployment here. If you run ls deployment, there's no deployment, so it goes to. So it's correct. I thought I was wrong, but it's correct. There's no deployment, so yeah, so it's correct. So if I cd here, and ls deployment, it should be correct. So this is my first time running these commands. That's why I was excited, because the Kubernetes works, the IP works, the port works. So I was excited to stream this right away. That given small things, it's already working. So I think the PWD is here. I think is it the deployment removed? Oh, here. It's correct. It will call the AI if you're making wrong commands. So it prevents you from executing wrong commands. Oh, here should be a deployment. There should be a deployment folder here. Let's see. Let's see right away. So I'm including debugging, guys. You can see how I debug it right away. So I think there's still an error here because it's just ls here. Oh, okay. I know the error. So our terminal does not properly cd to a directory. It stays on the PWD. So it stays on the PWD. So no, I mean it does not properly handle cd. It stays on the current directory. So I use C as a front end and Python as the back end, because Python is has the most AI libraries. So I stick with Python as back end even if it's slow. So slowness here is not an issue because AI calls are slow anyway. So we don't need to optimize Python for now. But for front end, we need to optimize it so that the front end is snappy. So when we open awesh, it should probably execute bash commands. Yes. Let us fix it. So I want to transfer everything I've learned from using cursor to this awesh. So I will not pay anymore for awesh. I will just pay for OpenAI, maybe ChatGPT, the model GPT-5. I'll just pay for the OpenAI, not anymore. So because right now I'm subscribed to OpenAI, I'm also subscribed to Cursor. It's double payment. So and after this, I can also run. Once my new GPU arrives, I also run a local model. So that's much cheaper. So we need to save on subscription cost. This is a subscription world. We need to save money. So okay, I hope our stream is still working. Yeah. So I'm using now cursor to have my own cursor, but a terminal because I only use VI. I never used this VS Code type environment. I don't use IDE. So for me, if I can transfer like even 50% of what cursor does to awesh, I'm happy. I'll stop using cursor. So this is the most active development I'm doing right now. I'm pausing my development on my website. It's pretty stable right now. So I'll just wait if users flock to my website, then I'll go back fixing it. So I encountered a linting error in Python in cursor, and that's why I was stunned and think of customizing my own AI editor. So for me, terminal is fine. I don't need this IDE. So let's just I'll just show you this and I'll stop streaming. I'll just show this one edit. So I'm using AI to create my own AI tool, and after that I'll go back to my terminal. So I just show you the process. See, I have an MCP, so he knows how to deploy it, how to package it, how to build it. There's already a builder for it. Okay. Yeah, I terminate the terminal. Doesn't need a terminal. That's good. Yup. Yup. See, it's almost nothing because I set up the MCPs. I already have the MCP, deployment MCP. That's one I'm working on. I have also a test suite MCP. I'm gonna put this on this AIOps as well. But that's more on the Playwright MCP I'm working on my website. But this one is a different one. So let's see, is that working? Let's see. Let's pwd. Let's see cd dot dot. It's not really working. It passed to AI. Let's see, but let's see if it can recover. But AI should return the cd dot dot command as well. Let's just wait for AI to return it. It should be able to return a cd dot dot. I'm confident. And if not, we're gonna just command straight to like this cd like this. And let's show it to AI so that they can fix the code. Actually, when I'm starting using this, there's a lot of contention. No? So I need to specify what design I want to use. So I thought of separate thread, front end, back end, front end C, back end Python, and there's a lot of back and forth before we able to do this. Because on the start, he just created like fake shell. It's like a fake shell, but I want a real shell. So cd dot dot, it keep OpenAI stand because small tokens, it's very hard for AI. It's long tokens is very hard because there's a lot of noise. Small tokens is also very hard because there's a few tokens. There should be just enough size if you want to pass some prompt to AI, no? So very short and very long is bad for AI. You should adjust the right amount of tokens. So cd dot dot, if you pass it to AI, it's gonna startle the AI. That's what's happening here. I can enable the debugging using AUV off or AUV on, but let's see. After this, we can enable. If you want to debug, we have debugging tools. Let's just wait for it. I think the timeout is 5 minutes, so we can already show this AI. I can already show this, so we can think about it. So this is the good thing. Oh, inspired workspace environment shell being accessed directly by AI. So we can issue commands here. Let's see, open in terminal. Let's see what command. Ooh, we encountered an issue. What command did he? Control C. So he knows that's a good thing here because he knows the commands. He said that he will enable verbose mode. Okay. So I'll need to think about this and what will happen. I think we should intercept CD as a different thing. So it killed it because it up deployed a new one. So what happens with the deployment MCP is it kills running processes, the old ones, so that it can replace it properly. So let us see. CD command should work properly. Let's see. It still goes to AI. I think CD is one of the command we should intercept and process ourselves. The order should be O prefixes, comma, bash commands, exemptions, bash executor, AI. Bash executor AI. So we need to intercept CD. So CD is a unique. It's a unique thing. It's still not. This is not it yet. Intercepted. It's not intercepted. So not intercepted. If we make the CD work, we put time limit, maybe 15 minutes more, then I'll stop stream. Not working or not, I'll stop stream. Okay, let's see. I thought it was easy. Still not working. Same. Okay, let's put a debug. Okay, let's see. Let's go awesh. V verbose on. CD dot dot. It's not. It looks wrong. It looks wrong. It looks wrong. I'm analyzing it. Why? I think we should have a global variable that stores it said it's okay, cd dot dot. But it should not think. It should not show but return a prompt right away. So what happens is he's still looping on the dots. It reaches the back end. Yes. Now all intercepted bash commands stays on the front end. So that's a problem. He's still communicating with the back end. Okay, I think we're almost done. So if you just allow AI, you will not be able to finish. You should know what happens. You should know the architecture. You should know when to stop him. So let's see now. I just want to see that the CD works. That's the basic CD and PWD should basically work. Let's see now. You should use clean install. Let me see. He's again doing some stuff on his own. We have already a deployment MCP. That's the problem. That's also the one reason why I don't want to use cursor anymore. The backend prompts has a lot of opinionated prompts already injected. So sometimes it does not follow you. Sometimes it violates the rules you already laid because it has an opinionated prompts injected on the backend. So I don't like it anymore. Because for me, creating something that violates what AI is thinking is a part of human creativity. So if you just stick to what AI gives you on the opinionated AI, then it's not good. You should sometimes, from time to time, contest what AI knows, because that's the creativity part. You should be able to break that barrier. So let's see. Let's see the PWD. Let's see cd dot dot PWD. Okay, it's working. So the ls. Okay. Cat readme. Cat readme went to the AI. Yeah. Okay, it's still here. So what happened is cd dot dot stop. Now works. cd dot dot now works. PWD reflex correct it, but ls is still stuck on old PWD. Maybe not sure. Maybe intercept also ls. Maybe intercept also ls. Or a better way is to feed a cd to our PWD before running other commands. Handing over to bash. Give me a better option. So we can just inject the PWD. Yeah, interject. No. If option 1, if we choose option 1, we have to do an exhaustive let's do option 2. Option 2, if back and the problem with if we choose option 1, then we have to list all commands. That's hard. So we just do something. ls should be, so we keep cd. So this is not just simple, no? You have to handle the bash level. For the AI level, it's now pretty good. I need to add more because there are still lots of use cases on how to handle AI prompts. Because my objective is to be like cursor, like using VI, right? I can use VI and then do a prompt. So VI will be my main editor, or maybe Nano for others. But for me, VI. So yeah, let's see it. This is good. So I can do ls pwd cd dot ls. Ooh, it's not working. cd deployment. You should support the tab later. Ooh, it's now working. It's now working. So I think I'll end stream. So that's it. That's the initial release of our what did you say? Did it, okay. This is the initial release of awesh. So I'll show you awesh. Awesh is inspired workspace environment shell, AI by default, bash when I mean bash. So that's the flagship component of my version of AIOps. Free cursor concept, universal access. I want to democratize AI powered development, open ecosystem. So this is open source. This repository is set to public. And I'll see you. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I am out.